Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to change the thermostat on a 2019 Dodge Challenger, the 3.6 liter engine. We're getting the code P0128. I'm going to show you how to do that. First we're going to move the plastic cover. Just pull up. Next we'll remove this clamp, loosen it up, one here, and one right here. Now there's a plug right here. Squeeze the clip. And pull out. Alright, once your plug's unplugged, clamp's loosened, that clamp's loosened, there's a rubber plug right here that should come out when you pull this up. Now you can see your thermostat's real simple to get to. There's two 10mm bolts, a clamp for your hose. The first thing we're going to do is loosen up this clamp. Slide it out of the way. Twist your hose so it's loose, but don't take it off yet. Move your 10mm bolts. When we pull this off, we're going to put it up in the air, clean our mating surface. We'll put the new thermostat in here. And then reinstall it and put our clamp on. This is our new thermostat. Take out the old one. Put in the new one and reassemble. Just lightly snug it up. Reinstall your clamp. Now you have a bleeder valve on here. Take your cap off fluid tank. Open up your bleeder valve. You're going to hear air hissing. Just wait until you see fluid coming out. And there it is. We'll close it back up. Add fluid until it's full to the line. Now I'm going to reinstall everything. Then I'll let the car run for 10-15 minutes. I'll loosen this up. If there's any air, it'll come back out of here. Once the fluid starts coming out, tighten it back up, check your levels, fill up if you have to, and you should be good to go. I would check it one more time just to make sure, and keep an eye on your temperature. Your plug. Alright, car's been running for about 15 minutes. Temperature looks good. We're going to shut it off. Open the bleeder valve, see if any air comes out. If no air comes out, then we're all good to go. If some comes out, just double check your reservoir after you close it back up and make sure it is filled up to the full line. Alright, turn your bleeder valve. Let the air come out. No more air. Snug it back up. Put your hose back on. Check your fluid to the full line, then you're good to go. Drive around for a while, just double check it one more time. If it's still good, it's not overheating, stays in the temperature range. Alright, once that's all set, you're gonna have to reset your code. I got one of these. This was at Walmart. It was like 15 bucks. That was a couple of years ago though, so probably about 30-40 bucks now. Turn your engine on, but don't start it. Going to erase the trouble code. That's cleared. Shut the car off. Unhook my scanner. And now we'll start it. And check engine lights off. And we're all set. That's all there is to it, guys. The thermostat itself is less than 30 bucks. I hope this video helped you. If it did, hit that like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. And again, thanks for watching.